Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa if you're new here. Today we're going to be doing an Ipsy unboxing for February. This is the bag. I haven't seen anything that's in it yet. It's very cute with lips for Valentine's Day. I do not have the updated one. I just have the original Ipsy subscription. I've been getting it for a few years now. Never really been disappointed. A few things here and there, but I personally think it's one of the best beauty bags that are out there. So the first thing that I see in here, ooh, is super exciting. I have a little sample of the Pixi Glow Tonic. I've tried this out before and I really like it. And I'm going to read off what the card says about it. So it says, founded by a working mom of 4, Pixi is all about products that multitask, made with aloe vera, ginseng, and glycolic acid. It's no wonder everyone at Ipsy HQ is completely obsessed with this glow getter. This is something that it exfoliates and I put it on after I get out of the shower, so I'm really excited about this and I'll definitely be using it. Next thing, see an eyeshadow. This is the shade Taupe by Meech and Mia. I've never heard of this brand before. Let's open it up. It's definitely like a nice transition shade. It says, a brand that's always on trend and affordable. What's not to love? This matte finish mauve pink eyeshadow looks chic from day to night, and it's so good for adding subtle depth and definition to your neutral eye looks. So I'll definitely be trying that out. I'm excited to see about this brand. Next one I have is from Seraphine Botanicals. I've definitely had things from them before and I normally like them. This is the Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. What is that? It says a highly pigmented radiance booster formulated with micronized luminizing pigments, natural daisy flower extract, and jojoba seed oil. I can never say that word. To add a wash of color and luminosity whilst keeping skin hydrated and soft. I cannot speak today. Okay, so it's a highlighter. They just don't say that it's a highlighter. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, that might be a little dark for me. We will see. It looks pretty nice. Let's see what it says about. So Seraphine's products are made from plant-based, fair trade, sustainably sourced ingredients. That's pretty awesome. This highly pigmented highlighter is made with natural daisy flower extract, and again, jojoba seed, I can't say it, to nourish and hydrate your skin, plus micronized luminizing pigments to give you a natural looking glow. So it's kind of the same thing that's on the back. So I'm excited to try this out. I would swatch these guys for you, but my camera doesn't autofocus, so I'm not sure if you'd be able to see it. Let's try it. That. So I don't know if you're picking that up on camera. It might be a little dark for me. And then let's swatch this eyeshadow. Eyeshadow's right there. The next thing is from MAC. It is their Studio Fix Powder Foundation in NC20. Okay. This is in this like little plastic thing. Here's the powder foundation and it comes with this like little sponge. I can't even get it out. It comes with this little sponge, but the sponge is bigger than the pan. I don't know if I'll actually end up using this because this is so small. Like if you're using this as powder to set your face or just as a foundation, I mean, you can't even really get a full-size brush in here. So that's a little disappointing, especially with a MAC product. I feel like they could have given us at least like a pot that you can put in like a Z palette or something like that. But it says, MAC celebrates individuality for all ages, races, and sexes. This matte finish powder foundation gives medium to full coverage, goes on velvety smooth, and blends like a dream. Plus the long-lasting streak-free formula means your look will stay put all day. I mean, it would have been nice to try it. I've never tried any of their powder foundations, but it's so small. I just don't know if I'll end up using that. Alright, and the last thing in here is from Sugar Cosmetics. It's a Pout Time Vivid Lipstick Mini in Better Call Salmon. That is a great pun if any of you have seen Better Call Saul or Breaking Bad or anything like that. That's pretty awesome. I wonder if all their other lipsticks have like puns like that. Let's see. Okay, it's not as bright as I was thinking it was gonna be. It's definitely like a neutral mauve-y pink shade. Let's see if I can... Yeah, that's definitely like a nice wearable shade. Let's see what it says about Sugar. I think I've gotten stuff from them before and I liked it. Sugar Cosmetics are all about bold, statement-making products that make you feel stunning in a snap. This peachy pink lip color is full of moisture for a matte shade. Enriched with micronized pigments and silica microbeads, it glides on easy and stays put, plus it's paraben-free. So that's really interesting. Actually, so far this month, I think I'm really liking it. Everything is something I would use except for the MAC. And I would have used the MAC product if it was just in a bigger pan size. But other than that, so far, I'm really happy with this month. If you guys are interested in keeping to see unboxings, I was thinking about subscribing to a Korean beauty brand box. If you guys would like to see those, if you want me to subscribe to that and see those unboxings, comment down below. And also if you're interested in me doing more unboxings in general, just let me know. But other than that, I think that's it. Thanks everyone for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos and don't forget to subscribe.